Hi, this is Vishal here from Trapcode. In this video, we will understand the concept of snippets. So, what snippets are, how they can use, where they can be used, and all those things. Okay. So, snippets are basically a UI components which can be reused at several places, so that you don't have to design and build it again and again, right? So you build it once and then use it at as many places as you want. And whenever you do some changes in the snippet, the changes will get reflected everywhere wherever they are being used, right? So let's quickly take a look. So to build a snippet, let's go to the snippet tab and then add snippet. Okay. So what I will do, I will create a header snippet, right? So header is same across different pages, and whenever we will do some changes to the header, the changes should get reflected at every place wherever the header or navbar is being used. Okay, so I'll say header and then create a snippet. Okay, here I can choose if I want to copy my snippet from existing snippets. Since we don't have any snippet, so I'll just leave it as blank. So snippet is created. Let's go and design something. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll drop a navbar or a header section to this. Navbar is here. Now let's go and do some changes to this navbar. Okay, I'll say snippet demo, some home features and all those things. Okay, so let's add few more components. Okay, so I'm doing some random changes so that it looks a bit different from the default navbar. Okay, so now I've created a navbar which I want to use on several places. So let's go and build two pages. Okay, so to do that, let's go to the pages section and click this add page button. Okay, so I'll create page 1. The URL is page 1. Okay, close this. I'll create page 2. The URL is page 2. Okay. Now let's go to these pages and add the snippets. So to go to page 1, click page 1. We are now on page 1. Okay. To drop a snippet here, just go to the components tab and choose the snippet, which is in the advanced components. Okay, here it is, and just drag and drop. Once you drag and drop, it will ask you that which particular snippet you want to display here. So we'll choose the header, the one which we recently created. Now as you can see, it has basically embedded the snippet on this page. Okay, let's go to page 2 and do the same thing again. Now on page 2, let's drop the snippet component again. Here it is. I will choose the same snippet. That's all. So now if you preview both of these pages, they will have the same snippet. So this is page 2. Let's go to page 1. Page 1. So as you can see, page 2 and page 1 both have the exactly same UI. Now let's say we want to do some changes. Okay, so let's go and do the changes in the snippet, right? You cannot edit the snippet from here because now they are not part of the page. They are actually coming from some different section. To edit the snippet, let's go to the snippet tabs again. Click this header. Now we can see the UI layer. So let's go and change the name. So instead of snippet demo, I'll say snippet example. Okay, and maybe remove these couple of links. I don't need. Okay, this is fine. Let's go and change the color from the decoration, maybe from background color to blue. I'll change it to orange. Okay. So now what we have done, we have done some changes to the snippet. Now if we go to the pages, the changes should be reflected on both the pages without doing explicitly there. Okay, so let's go to the page 1 and do a refresh. The changes are here. Let's go to page 2 and do the same thing. The changes are here again, right? So basically what exactly happened, we did the changes at one place and then they are now being reflected wherever those snippets are being used. So this is a very quick introduction that how you can use snippet. You can build complex pages, you can design like a lot complex UI, and once you have done it, you can just go and drag and drop the snippet component wherever you want to use it, and you will have the changes there. Once you do some changes at any place, they will be reflected across all the pages wherever those snippets are being used. So snippets are quite good if you want to put it in header, in footer, in sidebar, because you want your changes to be reflected wherever these components are being used. Hope you are able to understand the concept. Bye bye.